So you guys, today we're making a chicken pot pie, or a shepherd's pie rather. So you just layer in your cast iron, you layer the pie crust. You put oil in there and then you layer the crust. And then you put a mashed potato, layer of mashed potatoes, and I mash it with my little tiny European potato masher. You salt it. Then we're gonna put the ground beef, a layer of ground beef. That's what I'm cooking right now. And then a layer of frozen veggies. And then put a cream of chicken on top of it. And then finish up with an egg wash on top of the top layer of the pie. And we'll see how that comes out. So now I have the ground beef, and on some blogger, I think it was a Jersey blonde, I saw this really awesome tool, and you can break up your beef, like your ground beef and stuff. It's super, super convenient and makes it nice and even. So that'll be next layer. So now we have the potatoes, the layer of potatoes. And this is a layer of beef, the ground beef that I just put. It's still steaming. So then we're adding veggies and cream of chicken, and we're ready to pop it in the oven. So the pot pie is ready. And I'm just gonna, see, a little pumpkin. I'm just gonna cover it with an egg wash. I have the old-fashioned brush, and I don't have the little silicone brush. I used to. See, I put little vents for a little heart and vents for the steam to come out. Veggies, everything's inside. So we're just gonna pop it for about 350 degrees, 20-30 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm just gonna go see how it goes and protect the edges of this pie. I'm gonna protect it with the brim, like the thing that covers the brims, and then like a silicone thing, and then take it off once it's ready so the edges don't burn. So this is how it came out. Really nice crust, the egg wash. It came out really yummy. Let's try it.